How to create a league on Fantasy Premier League. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First of all, head over to your application Premier League. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to Fantasy at the bottom. Scroll down and you'll only be able to see the option where it says Join Leagues. But there is no any option where it says Create. If you really want to create, what you want to do is, you have to open the Fantasy Premier site in any of the web browser. So let me head over to Safari. Head over to the site fantasypremierleague.com. It will land you on the official page. In this page, tap on More and then head over to Leagues and Cups. The option of Create and Join New Leagues and Cups will be visible to you. Click on it. Now simply click on Create a Leagues and Cups. Well, you can see there's two types of league which you can create. One is Create a League and Cup and the other is Create Head-to-Head League. Let me click on the very first one, Create a League and Cup. Now in this section, you have to create a name for your league. Once you have entered, tap on Done. Now what you want to do is scroll down and over here tap on Create. So there you go, the league has been created successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create a league on Fantasy Premier League. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.